the white background with the green elephant head. So now if you look at this notebook, you will see it says WVSU01@gmail.com at the top, then home, shortcuts, notes, tasks, notebooks, tags, shared with me, trashes. So this is what it looks like if you have the newer version of Evernote. If you're on one of our older iPads, what you will see is something a little bit different. You will see a white page icon, and so that means notebook. Then you'll see a magnifying glass, a green circle with a plus sign, which is how you add a note, a star, which is your favorites, and then a person, which basically is your home. But what you want to really do is tap that white page, which is your notebook. And when you do so, this is what you'll generally see. Sample notebook, and then you'll see a list of names. So if you choose notebook, you see a different page pops up, and it gives audio, copy and paste, model attachment, write your notes, etc. And below that you see the word new, and if you click that new, it gives you an option to where you can use your camera to take pictures, videos, sketch, attach, things such as pictures, documents, spreadsheets, what have you. And you can also do audio, which is pretty nice. So you can record your thoughts instead of typing everything out. But if you did want to type everything out, you could. You can hit new, and right here you see note in green. And in the older iPads, if you look to your left, you'll see a green circle with the plus. You just click that, and that will bring up a new note. Now, on the older iPads, instead of camera, sketch, attach, and audio, what you will actually see is where it says right here. That is where you will see a green camera. You will see a microphone, a pen to let you know that's where you can draw or sketch, and an attachment. And so that's where you will attach all of those good things. And that is how you will do your Evernote notebook as far as uploading things. But say for instance you're not using our iPad, you're using your own account on your own device, and you obviously want to share your notebook with us in order to be considered for the awards. So what you'll do is, if you'll look at the very top, you see that little green person with the plus sign, and it gives you an opportunity to invite someone to share your notebook with. So you just hit that, you want to invite someone, and you put their email address. So what email address are you going to use? WVSU01@gmail.com. If you do that, then you will share it with me and the other teachers via the judges for that award. Otherwise, you will not be considered. If you have any questions, obviously you can email me at cbishop1@westvirginiastateu.edu, which is really easy because if you're using our older iPad, I am in the contact list. So if you just hit the C, my name will come up. Well, thank you so much, and we will be showing you some other things. So go to the how-to part of your Google Virtual Classroom.